Enjoy the view of this 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander. This striking Grand Highlander delivers spacious comfort and upscale passenger amenities. From its generous 3-row seating to its suite of desirable safety and infotainment features, this family-oriented vehicle makes every excursion delightful. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Quality and capability come together beautifully in this premium Grand Highlander. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.